Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Introducing the Waldent FlexiBite Bite Registration A-Silicone Impression Material. Crafted meticulously for superior bite registration, this material ensures unwavering reliability and precision. With advanced additional silicone composition, it's the preferred choice, offering a seamless blend of technical prowess, chemical finesse, and physical resilience. Experience excellence in every application with Waldent FlexiBite. Features: Waldent FlexiBite achieves a rigid, stable, and accurate occlusal relationship, facilitating easy replication of correct intercuspal and centric relationships. Delivers precise bite records with exceptional hardness. Features high rigidity, simplifying trimming processes. Showcases outstanding dimensional stability, ensuring accuracy over time. Indications: precise recording of occlusal relationships. We are going to dive into the operating instructions. Ensure the mixing tip aperture is clear before attaching it to the cartridge. Squeeze the material approx 2 cm on the mixing pad. It will allow the base and catalyst to be left out in the cartridge. Applying the Waldent FlexiBite Bite registration material for occlusal details, cover teeth in either the upper or lower arch. For recording anterior teeth, it's recommended to place the material over the teeth in both arches, creating a layer approximately 5 mm thick. Inject the material swiftly and uniformly onto tooth surfaces. Instruct the patient to bite down until material solidifies, usually within 1 minute and 30 seconds. Retrieve the solidified material and remove any excess from undercuts using a scalpel and wheel head. Trim the impression, focusing on areas such as pits, fissures, and contact surfaces with soft tissues. The standard bite registration should display occlusal points, depths below the tooth surface, and clear tooth outlines. That's all for today's video. Before we go, we want to extend a heartfelt thank you for joining us. Keep shining bright, and until we meet again, take care. Please like, share, and comment for more informative videos.